Hello, everyone. Young Lee with at Properties and Christie's International Real Estate. And today we are going to do our weekly market snapshot for what is going on with the residential real estate market. And we are going to go over the data for the week ending January 30th, 2023. So, a lot has been going on in the real estate market. The Federal Reserve raised rates by only a quarter point, which has really ignited the stock market as well as lowering those interest rates. But let's get into what's been happening in the market overall. So, closed listings for last week, we had 1,146 homes closed. So, up from the week previous, and we're staying steady here for the month of January, where we're having around 1,000 closings. This is still down significantly from this same time in 2022, but it is holding stable. Now, this is the biggest positive news that we see is that there were 2,528 homes that went under contract. This is the largest number of homes that have gone under contract in 16 weeks. And it was a 7% increase from the week previous. So, a very good sign that the market is very strong, and we're seeing a bunch of homes starting to go under contract. So the spring market is definitely upon us right now. So again, the 16-week high for listings going under contract. New listings also, we saw 3,505 new homes hit the market last week. This is also a good sign as we are still very low in overall inventory, but a good sign because last week we saw a little over 3,500 homes hit the market, and this week we saw 3,500 homes hit the market. Whereas in the middle of December, we only saw 16, 17, 2,000 homes hit the market. So it's always good to see a bunch of homes hit the market new to add to the active amount of homes on inventory. And now we can see here the number of active homes currently on the market is still historically low at 35,128, but it is showing a positive sign of increase where our low point at the beginning of this year was 33,975. And although we are seeing new homes hit the market, we're only seeing about 1,200 extra homes on the market because of the fact that those homes are going under contract, like we said in that earlier slide. So we still need more homes hitting the market because there are a lot of qualified buyers out there that are looking for a home. So if you guys have a home that you're thinking about listing, now might be a great time, especially since the Fed had lowered or raised rates only a quarter point, which was a very good sign for the mortgage industry as a whole and the stock market. So, showing that inflation is coming down. Now, sold prices. So median prices for this past week were 260,000. That is up from this same time last year where it was 250,000. Now this graph, again, we want to look at it as a whole because it's taking a weekly snapshot. So depending on what happened in the week, that's going to greatly affect these numbers. But if we look at it as a whole, year over year, we're seeing that the blue, which is the most recent year, is typically higher or at least the same as the same week the year previous. I hope that makes sense, but it's showing us that home prices have not been decreasing year over year, they've been holding steady, if not been showing slight increases still. And so, everybody that's worried about home prices coming down, I think looking at this along with the Federal Reserve only increasing the rate by a quarter point as opposed to a half a point, which some people thought is a great sign. And we are seeing that the inflationary rate has come down from 9% down to 7%. So that curve is also looking very beneficial for us as an economy as a whole. And that's why we're having this positivity in the housing market. So that's what's been going on with the housing market, with interest rates, and with the economy as a whole. So, again, if you guys are thinking about listing your home, now is a great time. Inventory is low, interest rates are coming down, and there are a lot of qualified buyers out there that are looking to move on a home right away. So, if you guys have any questions, please reach out to me. You can leave me a comment below, or you can reach out to me directly in any of the social media platforms that you are finding me at. I would love to be a resource and help you tailor a strategy that fits your best needs. So, once again, my name is Young Lee with the Young Lee Group at Properties and Christie's International Real Estate. Until next time, I will see you guys later.